Give me some directions to get to you.
Hey guys, Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at WrapSesh.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? This week we're going to show you guys some cool custom Jeep projects that we worked on.
Jeepers.
Jeepies?
Yeah.
So we actually sponsor an off-road Jeep club here in Arizona. It's called Mudweiser. Pretty cool dudes. We do a lot of vehicles for them. So we had a Jeep TJ. Do you know what year it was? An older year. We had a Jeep TJ.
It's like a 90.
Really cool off-road Jeep. So he came in and we did a custom camo. He actually wanted to incorporate his paint color, which was what?
Blue. It was like a dark midnight blue.
Yeah. So he wanted to incorporate his paint into a snow camo design, basically. Yeah. So we just had him come in and we picked some colors. What colors did we pick?
We picked
psychedelic,
matte gray, matte
metallic charcoal,
and
satin white,
and satin black.
And satin black. And then we had the paint incorporated as well. So we're gonna show you guys how we kind of came up with that custom camo and knocked it out. And then our second Jeep was a, what was it?
That was a brand new 2018
Wrangler?
Wrangler.
Yeah, it was a Wrangler. And that one we did the interior dash accents, which comes in like a gray stock. And we did that in Oracal Luscious Lips. So we're gonna show you guys how we knocked out the interior panels and then the custom camo as well. So should we get started?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so this hood design that we're doing a snow camo. There are a couple different ways that you could do this as a wrap.
Well, a camo is a very vague spectrum of, you could do anything in a camo.
Well, you could.
As long as it's multiple different, things and shapes and sizes.
Yes.
For the most part.
So, option one, you could do a print, right? You could do a single layer print camo. That's probably your easiest option. This guy, he wanted to incorporate some of his navy blue paint into the design as well. So we're only gonna do a partial wrap. Now, what we did is we actually made a design on the computer and we plotted out all the different colors. Another way you could alternatively do it is with knifeless, which you've done it that way before too, right?
I have,
Custom
but mostly
camos.
if you're gonna do a knifeless camo design, usually it's a big scale camo design. So it's like huge pieces.
Right, like a whole car or something, for sure.
So they're not smaller pieces. They would take forever to do.
Yeah, I mean this is really small,
design.
so I wouldn't want to go through and like try to knifeless all of this onto the car. It'd take a long time. So for this particular install, we felt it would be best to just do a plotted design. What are the colors we're using?
So this one is going to be, well, we're using black, white, so satin black, satin white, matte metallic gray, charcoal, and psychedelic.
And the blue paint.
Well, and the blue paint.
So that's 5 colors
So it's going to be a 5-color camo.
Right.
It's going to be a little crazy.
We're just going to kind of freestyle it. We don't really know.
Throw it together.
It just, you just go with it. You just go with the flow. That's kind of what we like doing on the artistic end.
I mean, there's other ways to do like a nice camo, and then there's other ways to do like a crazy messy camo. So this is kind of going to be a little bit messy because it's multiple different types of materials.
And we're trying to show the original paint.
And we're trying to show the paint as well.
So this is the best choice for us for this case. So we're going to finish cutting all of these out, and then we're going to kind of just dry place them on the Jeep, see how we like it all set up, and then we'll start laying. Yeah?
Yeah.
Solid.
Some directions to get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection, I think about you, for you my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to 'cause I can't get you out of my mind. I can't live without your love for sure.
Thanks for watching this week with us, guys. We appreciate it. You can follow our projects and our daily fun here on our social media. That is Vinyl Vixen Raps and WrapSesh AZ, Facebook and Instagram. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to jam with the WrapSesh vibe. And we'll see you next week.